Affiliate marketing can flourish without the need for a traditional blog. Platforms like YouTube offer a dynamic space for creating video content, where product reviews, tutorials, and recommendations can seamlessly incorporate affiliate links in the video descriptions. Social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are potent channels to share engaging content, utilizing posts, stories, or tweets to subtly introduce affiliate products. Podcasting provides another avenue, allowing for the integration of affiliate mentions within episodes. Niche-specific forums, community participation, and Q&A platforms like Quora offer opportunities to share expertise and affiliate links. Creating review sites, comparison sites, or engaging in guest posting on niche websites can also effectively convey affiliate recommendations. Collaboration with micro-influencers or leveraging paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads widens the reach beyond traditional blogging. In essence, diverse digital mediums can serve as effective alternatives for those pursuing affiliate marketing without maintaining a conventional blog. Affiliate marketing can thrive without the need for a blog. Consider alternative platforms such as YouTube, where you can create video content around your niche, offering product reviews, tutorials, or informative discussions while embedding affiliate links in video descriptions. Social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook provide opportunities to engage your audience and share affiliate products directly through posts or profiles. Podcasting allows you to discuss niche-related topics and naturally insert affiliate recommendations within your episodes. Building an email list and sending newsletters with valuable content and affiliate promotions can be highly effective. Engaging in niche-specific forums and communities, creating review or comparison sites, guest posting on other websites, and leveraging Q&A platforms like Quora are all viable ways to succeed in affiliate marketing without the need for a traditional blog. The key is to focus on delivering value and strategically integrating affiliate links into your chosen platform's content.